Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing fan-freaking-tastic, and basically I'm going to show you how to create a section which is the before and after images section. So the first thing that I need you to do is log into your Shopify admin, and then from here we're just going to first check whether the theme that you're currently using does actually have it or not, because some themes actually do have it. So in that case you don't really need to mess up with any code or stuff, so you can just use the section that is already pre-made. So in this case for Horizon, if I just click on add section, if I scroll down, I should be able to find it because Horizon does actually have this section. So let me just go ahead and find it real quick, which should be down here if I'm not mistaken. Yep, this is the one which is called image compare. So if you just click on it, it should just show up and you can add a before and after image and hover between them and have the slider working for you. But we will mainly discuss if you don't have this, what do you do in that case? So what you want to do is basically just go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy the entire thing and follow along the video. So just go to your dashboard, go to online store, click on the three dots right next to edit theme and click on edit code. This is going to be a very simple copy and paste, so do not worry about it. Now from here, what I need you to do is just go to the sections tab, make sure it is selected like so, and click on add new file, and you can just name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it before and after. Just make sure to end it with .liquid, just like all the other files in this section, and hit enter. Next up, you simply just want to paste in the code, which again is going to be in the description, and basically click on save from the top right corner. Now coming back here, you simply just want to edit theme. It should be the same theme we added the code to, and you just want to add the section. Now we should be able to find it, so I'm just going to add it right here between the hero section and the future collection. So I'm just going to click here and you should be able to find a before and after slider. So I'm just going to select it and we can find it right away. We have a few options to play around with. First, you have the heading text, which you can feel free to change the color of, and also the text itself, obviously, as well as the alignment. Heading size as well, so you have all of these options. Anyways, now you have the before and after image. So I'm just going to select this one as the before image and this one as the after image, and we can see the comparison. Now this is quite large for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to the maximum width and take it down to, let's say, 750. Much better, so we can just leave it at that. We can also change the section background color and also the aspect ratio. So I'm just going to make it square so we have everything in the image. So you can see now we can switch between the two images within the before and after. Again, play with the sizes and corner radius and stuff, all of these things that are available for you. So yeah, you have this before and after section now. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, make sure to support me down below, and thank you for watching.